King, maybe. I don't know if audio is fine, so I'll have to test that. For some reason, it's not playing when I do the video thing, so oh well. But maybe it'll show up on YouTube, and I'll test that right now. For some reason, it's not playing when I do the. Okay, that seems fine. Maybe a little loud. Drop that a bit. Okay, we got some lo-fi hip hop in the background, and we're gonna be doing some like uh what's it called? Computer arc engineering. Yeah, something like that. So I want to make a computer in Minecraft. Why? Because I hate myself. So firstly, so here if I hop into my redstone world, we can look at some of the stuff I've built so far. It's not really like a computer yet. Oh my god, it's so lucky. 21 FPS, that's fine, that's fine. It'll go up, right? 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 Why does this seem locked at 30 FPS? Hold on. Okay. Maybe just drop that a bit. Yeah. 40 FPS? That's not good. Anyway, it's close to 60. If I stop this. I'm not really completely sure how to stop this, actually. Do that, maybe. Okay, well, it's not moving. So, success. So we got, this is my kind of idea for memory stuff. So we have like a opaque block, and we also got a transparent block. The stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. I have it set to be like dynamic though, so I think it's cool, right? Let me check. 2500 kilobits. Ooh. Well, I have no clue. I have it up. I pulled stream out full screen on my second monitor, so I'll see the bitrate then, and then maybe I'll change that if it looks like trash. Ooh, it does kind of look like trash. Okay, so about that. Let me change that setting quick. Let's go. Okay, this is weird. Psycho visual tuning. What? GPU 0. What? Anyway, let's set it to like 3500. That sounds like a good number. The recommended's 2600. It said so. To that number should be that's higher than that. So should not look trash. That's 3.5 MB per second. That's faster than my internet. Hold on. Oh, kilobits. Wait, yes. So that should be fine, actually. So that'll change when I restart the stream, I think. Oh wait, I know. Seems like it already changed on the bottom right. Still looks like trash. Did YouTube set to 1080p? Maybe just refresh my viewer here. What? Oh, stream's current bitrate. Oh, the recommended is 4500. Okay, so I'll set it to a nice and clean 5000. All right, now that shouldn't look like trash, right? Bitrate is always higher than I said it is. Looks better. Yeah, that's good enough now. So yeah. So like, I turned this back on. A method. Probably here. So you see, it's like it's a piston feed tape stuff. So like, this bottom row, it's like every other bit, and then this top row, this two above it, is also every other bit. That makes it just so that we can have these lines going in parallel, but then they don't like collide with each other. Because if I had stuff here, like, oh, that don't work, because then these are connected. That's not it. Incorrect. Anyway, so that's how I'm planning on doing the storage, or the program memory, because this is like relatively immutable. If you wanted to change this, you would be very sad. You could. You would have to, so I think I'm going to like, I want to have storage in the computer as well. So I think my idea is to have two identical tapes running in like running parallel, like reverse of each other, and then it would swap out a glass or a stone block, like on the side. Though that might not be easy, and probably is not easy. And now that I think about it, it's actually significantly more difficult than I was thinking. I'll figure it out. Yeah, it'll be okay. It'll be okay. So, my inspiration for this is that I was playing Turing Complete, and I finished the first section. So now I feel like a computer engineer, and I'm gonna do it in Minecraft. So you may be wondering why I'm not doing it in like a super flat world, and that's because super flat worlds are lame. So anyway, first agenda thingy, I wanted to figure out how I wanted to make the display. So I could do the piston feed tape like this again, just like, you know, that's kind of wacky. Usually you do like I think you do like memory. You have a big buffer of bytes or bits that corresponds like on or off, and that's an option. But you know, there's this is Minecraft, and that's a lot of Boolean operations to address, like even just like a 12 by 12 kind of thing, which is how much these pistons can push. That's why this is 12 long, because then that gives you the max density. You know, gotta have your computer be dense. It makes it go faster. What is in this village? I'm distracted. Whoa, this is a big village. And they've got an iron golem. And a waterfall. Dang. So cool. Good trades. Alright. So this is the old version of the stint thingy. So for some reason this stopped moving. Oh no. Why did it stop moving? I think this guy's dead. Be alive. There it goes. And now it goes again. And like the delay is kind of not great, but you know it does the thing, and it is much nicer than having to do a million, what's it called, like a million and nots to address your memory. So this it's kind of like a callback to when we used cassettes or something. I was not alive during that time, but I can imagine It was not fun. So yeah, so we could have. Let me think. So we got redstone lamp. Redstone lamp looks, it's okay. So imagine we have a 4x4 thing to show outputs. Right. That'd be neat. So like we could write A. Look at that, incredible. But how, like, this is a very, like, here. If I got, like, we need to connect this with redstone so that we can, like, show the bits. But like we have redstone go like that, and it makes me go like, why would I want this, right? But what we could do, we could have a really big screen, right? The bigger the better. So let's make an A with a big screen. So we need redstone here. So it's gonna be, we need another 2, another 3, and then we need 1 and another 3 and another 3, and then another 3, and go down. So this is it's gonna like call back to real life, how the pixels are not complete or something like that. There's space, you know, it's not solid, right? That's not how you do that. Whoa. This is not great. I think I made a mistake. This is 3 high and it should be 4 high. Counting is hard, okay? I should have got. I was gonna get a world edit plugin before I started streaming, and you know I completely forgot, so it didn't happen. World edit's probably it's going to be a good thing to have, because you know computers are big and I am small. Look at that. If you, oh my gosh, how did I mess this up? What happened here? Oh no. I have another excuse, actually. That was amazing. Okay. So if you get like really far, really far. You see, it starts to kind of look like a normal A. Yeah, it's probably not gonna work. Screen has got to be dense. Okay? So we gotta figure out how to make sense. And I gotta reduce my render distance back, please. Don't hurt me. There we go. Oh no, I'm falling. So I guess I'll just leave that there. So we get white and we get black. You know, maybe concrete actually. I want the stone to be there. So white concrete. Nice. That's kind of gray. This is really black. This is like hardly white. I mean, that's fine, right? You can mix materials in your screen, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So white is or black is a 1, white is a 0 because black actually, you know, that kind of doesn't work with colors at all, really. But black is actually, why does it? My brain sees black as filled. Why does it see black as filled? Because in black and white pictures, the background is white. Yeah, sure. Anyway, black is 1, white is 0. White concrete go away. We're gonna use we're gonna use black concrete and white wool. So like we get a it's like a piston V-tape again, you know, but it is different. Why? So we're going to be dealing with bytes of stuff. So it would make sense that we would send like a byte to the display to render, right? Yeah. So in order to send a byte to the display, you would need, so our computer, it's going to have 12 bits of stuff, of like program, like 12 bits per instruction, because piston push 12. Actually, because it's wide like this, they're like, I'm not pushing this sideways. I could make this more than 12. I could make a 16-bit computer in Minecraft. Oh my god. Let me check the time, 'cause I gotta go. 7:30. Oh no, it's 7:23. So yeah, I could make this like 16 bits. And I would be insane for it. Right? That would make me insane. Then I could have 4 bits for instructions. Which would be nice. Okay, for now, we're gonna pretend that our display is getting you full 12 bits. So we can have this. We have a thingy here. So it's gonna be a. Let me build this a little off the ground, just for fun. I think we need a little buffer, maybe throw out some more here. So it's gotta be 12 long. So for now, let's just make it all white. Just like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This makes it so that we, like, theoretically, you could have 12 instructions to draw the entire window, but you know, that's kind of unrealistic because you got to do the you gotta smack the bytes into the output thingy. So it's more like 24 instructions, 24 clock cycles, and our clock cycles are going to be like a second long. So it's like 24 seconds to draw a frame, which that's okay, right? Yeah. That's probably, none of my methods for doing this are good. This is horrible. I'm sorry. I'm just really, I can't even see chat. That's okay. We haven't had a single viewer the entire time. Okay. So, so imagine user looking at screen, 12 by 12. They've never seen it. It's a big square. Incredible. So, I want it to come from the right side, right? Or the left side, because I don't know. Seems right. So when we push a new thing, we need to have. Okay, this is confusing actually. So it's gonna be like super dense, right? So you push this side out. And then you could push a different color in. Take this one out. Bring it over here. Maybe it should, like... So we need to have it so that... We might have to detect which kind of thingy coming out on the other end. So it might be good to also do like the stone and glass thing over here. But that's a lot of stone and glass stuff, so that's just, it feels like I'm using the same strategy for everything. That's just redundant, right? Anyway. So you push it out. No more. Go away, right? Oh no. What if... How is this possible? Okay, that's it. 28. Alright, I need to... So I'll get a notification once that starts up. And then I think I'm just going to pause the stream and come back once that's done. So... Maybe we have like a swap command. So it swaps out the left side of pixels. And then there's also like a push command to push the pixels back. So then that brings us down to 1 FPS. Then you still need... Oh. This display is really complicated. So like swap stuff. To say like these all have black concrete behind them. Oh, what if we made it like a too wide tape? That is not tight. Okay. So it'd be like, so bam. Now you have black coming in on that side. Blam. Now you have white coming in on that side. So you push the middle through. Maybe. So say this end up here. So let's do this quick. So he goes over there, but then there is also black on this side. Does that matter? Yes, maybe. So then white appears over here, and then when you swap these guys, it's no longer good. Okay, so instead you have to push both together, but okay, so it is not, you can't, okay, so you can't just push both together like that, because say you have it set to black in the middle. When you push this out, these two, the white is still in front of it, so you still can't see it. And then you also have the problem that this is covering up the white end. Okay. The front end. So maybe we use sticky pistons, and it's just like a pulse, and it's like a mini feed tape, but only between these two. So that's sticky. We need a sticky lad. The sticky lad is always connected. Sticky lad pulls them down. Non-sticky lad pushes it up. Other non-sticky lad pushes it sideways. And then another non-sticky lad pushes it up. Okay. So that's the system. So it goes this one. So let me set this up so that it's like always on. So always on, then disabled, enabled, enabled, disabled, enabled, disabled, disabled. Alright, let me run through that again. So this needs to be on while this goes off. Then it can go off. Then it can go off. So this one can just like tick. And then this one can tick. And then this one can tick. And it's good. So this is a little complicated. Let me set it up on like a button. It doesn't really matter how long this one is on, so I can just have that on a repeater. Button. Give me a button. Oh, playtest has started, so hold on.